Hi everyone. So your quiz this week is going to focus on standard English, but specifically proofreading, avoiding text speak, slang, and profanity, and correcting run-on sentences using coordinating conjunctions. So most of the quiz is pretty straightforward. You just have some simple directions and options. So each one of these will say, choose the sentence that best avoids text speak, slang, or profanity, and you choose the right sentence. There's a lot of that. So most of that's pretty straightforward, but what I really wanted to focus on in this video is looking at the directions for the second half of the quiz. So here are the directions. Make sure that you read them. So you're listening to them now, but make sure you also read them as you're quizzing, so you don't forget to do all of these things. So you're going to use coordinating conjunctions to correct run-on sentences, but I'm looking for more than that in these sentences. There are 4 of them. You're going to write 4 sentences. You're going to use the best coordinating conjunction to correct each run-on sentence. So remember that each coordinating conjunction has meaning, and so you'll want to use the one that best fits. If it's showing cause and effect, which conjunction does that? If it's showing contrasting ideas, which conjunction best shows that, right? So make sure that you're using the correct conjunction, and also make sure that you're using 4 different conjunctions. All right. Also, you should capitalize and punctuate each sentence correctly. So you need to capitalize at the beginning of the sentence if there are any proper nouns, things like that. You need to punctuate, which means, do you need any commas in the sentence? Do you need a period or a question mark at the end? So make sure you're doing all that. You should, of course, avoid the use of text speak, slang, and profanity when you're writing your sentences, which will be super easy because you're not changing anything in the sentence. All you're doing is adding the coordinating conjunction. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. You're adding the coordinating conjunction and any punctuation that's needed. So you won't have to really worry about text speak, slang, and profanity because I didn't put any of that in there. You should proofread carefully. These sentences must be perfect. So no spelling errors, no typos, don't rearrange the words in the sentence in any way, don't miss an apostrophe. If the word is don't, D-O-N apostrophe T, don't forget that apostrophe. So these need to be perfect because part of our work this week was on proofreading. So 4 perfect sentences is the expectation. If your keyboard is set to international, change it to US because you'll get these sentences wrong if you do not. If you don't know how to check that, or if you know that it's on international but you don't know how to change it, talk to your advisor or talk to me before you take the quiz. So you're watching the video, you haven't started the quiz yet, check down in the lower right-hand corner. You should see something. It either says US or I think it's INTL for international. If you click that, you'll be able to change your keyboard from either US to international or vice versa. It's really important that it's set to US. All right, that's it. You have 4 sentences here. You're going to rewrite them, fixing the run-on sentence by choosing the best coordinating conjunction. You're going to punctuate it correctly. You're going to make sure you're going to proofread so that you don't have a bunch of spelling errors and typos and things like that. Capitalize it correctly. And that's it. It's a pretty short quiz this week. If you have any questions or concerns before you get started, Google Meet with me. I'd be happy to talk to you about it. Have a great day.